So a child clings to its mother. A child clings to its mother. So the child is always attached to the mother. The child doesn't go away. The child usually sticks to its mother. So a child can be it. So a child is so little. So when it is a kitten, suppose son of a bitch. So when it is small, then it is it. So a child clings to its mother. So her mother, his mother, right, but a child is usually right it. When he has become a boy, then he is no more it, he. So when someone is knocking at your door, knocking at your door, you can say, who is it, who is it, who is it? So knocking at your door, you can say, who is it? When somebody calls you, who is speaking? This is Ohidur speaking. This is Ohidur speaking. Okay, who is speaking? Who is this? Then you say over telephone that Ohidur is speaking. So he sticks to what he decides. So what he decides, he doesn't change. He is very strict. He is very, very serious about his decisions. He doesn't stick. Okay, so he sticks to what he decides. I was stuck. So if it is a big area, if you're inside the area, then in. If you are talking about a wall, then wall. So to the wall. So I was stuck to the wall, but I was stuck in the traffic jam. I was stuck in Bangla Motor. You cannot leave for half an hour. So for half an hour, right? Okay, for 30 minutes, for 20 minutes, for half an hour. So stick is stuck. So you have what this word is stick. So you stick something to the wall. So sticker and is stuck. So you have become the stick. So the boy is sticky. So if the boy always disturbs a girl, does not leave the girl, he calls her, he always tries to make relationship with the girl, she may think he is a sticky boy, sticky. So you are not a sticker, you are a sticky. A paste can be a sticker because it has some glue that will help it attach with on the wall. So in accordance with, so with. So British people say with, and American people pronounce with. So with. So British people pronounce this with, and American people pronounce it with. The official rule. So L is very difficult. This is called dark L. L is very difficult to pronounce. Rule. The official rule. You can't blame me for what I have done. So in accordance with the official rule, you can't blame me for what I've done. So in accordance with can also be changed according to, in accordance with. In collaboration with my teacher, I published the book last year. Even in collaboration with W.B. Yeats, Rabindranath translated his best book of poetry, Gitanjali, and because of that he won the Nobel Prize in Literature. In 1913, Haddon Bridge was constructed in 1912, and Rabindranath won the Nobel Prize in 1913. So in collaboration with my teacher, I published the book last year. Next year means the following year, the last year means the previous year. So in comparison, the pronunciation is strict in comparison with British pronunciation, with is American pronunciation. So in comparison with the husband, the wife is very young. So spouse means the husband or the wife, and spouses means both husbands and wives. The husband, the wife is very young, one wife, but if there are 5, then wives. So wife is very young. In course of time, in course of time, in course of time, she'll be famous. Famous. So